Very often during the day, we feel hungry in between the meals. Or let it be our special chai time, wherein we want a snack which is neither too oily nor too sweet or spicy. Let me share a healthier option to satisfy these cravings. Hello friends, welcome to Shweta's studio. Today we will be making healthy namkeen using murmura. It's absolutely simple and quick to make. To make the namkeen, take a pan and keep on medium heat. Now add oil to it. Here I have taken groundnut oil to give this namkeen slight taste of groundnut. You may also use sesame oil or any other oil of your taste and availability. Now, after the oil is warm enough, we will put mustard seeds to splutter. After that, add finely chopped green chilies. Here, I have de-seeded them. Also, please watch on the quantity if you are making this for the kids. After roasting chilies for a bit, now add chopped curry leaves. Trust me on this guys, curry leaves gives a very good taste to this namkeen. Saute it for some time till all the moisture is gone and it becomes really crisp like shown in the video. At this stage, add pinch of hing and turmeric to it and mix it well. Turn the flame to low and add murmura to the pan. This is also known as parmal or moody or puffed rice. After mixing it properly, let's add remaining spices to it, which is salt, sugar and dry mango powder. Friends, you got to believe this combination. This combination makes it khatta, meetha, namkeen all at the same time. सब तरह का taste है इसमें. Now we will add in our last ingredient, which is ragi flakes. This is optional guys. I have added it to make the namkeen extra crunchy. Also, if you want, you can go ahead and add in cornflakes or wheat flakes or roasted chana or anything you like. Now, turn off the flame and keep stirring so that murmura does not burn because pan is still hot. After cooling it down properly, our namkeen is ready. Listen to the crunchy sound guys. Lag raha hai na tempting? You can add in many more ingredients like sev, shavings of dry coconut. Basically, you can make your own variation of this namkeen. You can store this namkeen in an airtight container. It can be stored for up to 2 months. भर कर रख लीजिए और 2 महीने तक खाते रहिए. अगर बच जाए तो मुझे पता है ये इतना टेस्टी होगा कि बचेगा नहीं. Please do try out this healthy murmura recipe. To make it extra special, you may add chopped onion, tomatoes and few drops of lemon. Until our next video, enjoy this healthy murmura namkeen and keep smiling.